Today we're going to keep working on multiplying integers. So the first one we have says 4 times negative 5. 4 times negative 5. So first I want you to use your chart and just do 4 times 5. So find 4 and 5. And our answer is 20, okay? So I'm going to write 20 over here. But I have a positive times a negative, and I know that when I have different signs, it equals a negative, okay? So if you have positive and negative, our answer is negative. Okay, next we have 6 times 3, and those are both positive. So let's go to our chart, find 6 and 3, and 6 times 3 equals 18. So since these were both positive, plus and plus, our answer stays positive. So you could put a plus here, but we don't need it. We can just write 18. Okay, next we have negative 10 times 7. So let's go on our chart, do 10 and 7. 10 times 7 is 70. Okay, so we have 70. But for this problem, we had a negative times a positive. So our answer needs to be negative. So negative 10 times 7 equals negative 70. Our next one, negative 6 times negative 8. So on the chart, we can find 6 and 8. So our answer is 48. And since we have negative times a negative, our answer is positive. So if it's the same sign, it's positive. Okay, I'm going to move this. So now let's try these. We have negative 3 times negative 2. So on my chart, I'm going to look for 3 times 2, which is 6. Okay, and since I have a negative times a negative, my answer is positive. My next one, we have negative 8 times negative 4. So I'm going to look for 8 and 4 in my chart. 8 times 4 is 32. And check your signs. We had negative times a negative, so our answer should be positive 32. Up next, we have 2 times negative 9. So I'm going to go to my chart, 2 and 9, which is 18. And for this one, I had a positive and a negative, so my answer should be negative. Next, we have 3 times 11. So in my chart, I get 33. And since we had positive times a positive, our answer should be positive. Okay, for your homework, I would like you to try these problems.